Hello, welcome to my recap. I'm not sure why my camera's not working, but I'm trying to go take a nap here shortly, and I'm not really worried about fixing it right now. So let's get to it. I had a tough time reading the price action when I did trade today, and then by the time the price action got easier to read and stuff like Tesla made moves, I was out of buying power, which is unfortunate, but ended the day green. Happy about that. Started off red, was green almost 2%, then got red again, and then ended up fighting my way back to green over 1%. So can't really complain. So first trade, I took on CrowdStrike, and as you can see on my trade window here, I got in at 410 and got out at 387. So that trade was kind of uneventful. I chased a little bit, maybe by like 10 seconds, um, right over a prior day high. But I'm not going to show that trade. It's not very exciting. Not that any of my trades are really exciting lately. But without further ado, let's get into MRNA, which is something I rarely trade. But today it looked good. So let's get to it. And now MRNA is up on the top middle here. You can see it's flagging. We have the nice bullish push, and then got these two red candles, and then I'm going to play the move to the upside. And I will type in MRNA in the middle chart here, so get to it. So I'm grabbing a 250 call, weekly as always, and I get in at 289. And then now I'm typing in MRNA in the middle chart here so you can see the chart. So I played the pop, pullback, and then the second that green candle went higher than the prior red candle right there, I took it went long one contract. So yeah, I before the day started, I was almost going to size up today, but I thought, nah, I'm going to wait until price action's solid and I feel confident and have a good read. Today wasn't that day. I had trouble finding plays I really had conviction in. And when I did, it wasn't the greatest. So I tried to throw an order out. I threw an order out on the ask at 340. I don't get filled on this one though, but I do hit the ask for my exit a couple times today, and I made a nice little chunk extra. I probably made $50. I think we're gonna see once we go through the recap. So I threw one out at 350, canceled that one, threw it out 355, and I got filled. So on the ask there, saved me some or made me some extra money. So next trade, we're gonna go with Tesla. So Tesla, as you can see here, we got this consolidation, and I'm playing the break of it, this descending trend line. So didn't really have 3 points it touched, but I was just playing the break of that line. And I'm in one contract. 1303 is my cost. Decent little move. Decent move, but it's not. I mean, it's like showing looking like it wants to follow through, and then it's getting. I mean, there's people are just hitting the bid hard. So threw an order out 375, and I got filled. So I made some money. I kind of wish I would have held because this does rip a little bit more, but I didn't. So it is it is what it is. Like I say a lot, but now like right now it would have been 14 something. It went to like, yeah, I don't know, whatever. But anyways, point is up 1.7%. Um, I almost stopped here, but I don't know. I found more plays, and when I find my setup, I take it. Anyways, next trade Tesla. So get to it. So I'm playing. This isn't really a pattern that I'm playing. We have prior days high. So I'm in one contract there. I just want to make sure. Uh, 3. I think I just got in 4 seconds ago. So right when I played that, I got in. My bad. So I played the break of that. It was confused me for a second. So it it breaks its stuffs, but we're close to prior day's high, which is that yellow line. So I'm kind of trying to, trying to be patient, keep an open mind that okay, this could continue stuffing, it could make an M pattern, or it could head towards this prior day's high and break it. So yeah, I know that a lot of orders are coming through, get stuff in this thing, keeping it down. But all they have to do is lift that offer and or pull that offer, and it'll you know it will go. But that's a lot of times I'll see that it'll stuff, it'll act like it's heavy, and then they pull the offer, lift the offer, whatever you want to say, and then it goes. So I'm down a little bit in the position right now, but not over yet. So see what happens. Just so close. So I get out there because we just I just didn't feel so great about it. And then next trade Tesla. So same positioning. I'm gonna get right back in when it's going towards high day. So basically, I just got shook out there. The 690 call again. I grab one 1242. And my thinking was it's so close to prior day's high. It's like it's a shame if it didn't get above it. Now this pattern is a bearish pattern. Um, so I'm not feeling too great about it. It kind of just I don't know if it was revenge trading or what, but I now it's forming an M. It looks like could be an M. If this candle closes down and then okay, so we got to move. We got the move. At 1290, I could have taken it for and just stuffs like that quickly. Is this going to be the one that goes, or is this an M pattern? So if I would have been quick, yeah, I could have made like $50. I'd have sold on the bid, but now we're getting an M. So not good. I just got out. Yeah, it's still at the 80 I made there and prior day open, but I don't know. Now watch it go without me. I don't even think it goes right here, but uh, yeah, it was yeah, it does not go right here. So we get a pullback here, and then this bearish pattern plays out to the downside. So down $13 in the day. So I was up over 100, up over 1%. Now I'm down barely. So next trade is actually kind of like two trades in a row. It's on Snap. Snap's up top here on the right. And I'm playing this little flag break or anticipating this little break. Two contracts and at 268, as you can see under the average price column. Snap's kind of a slow mover, at least compared to Tesla or other high flying names I play, but it's a name that I could get two or even more contracts and I would feel comfortable. Today wasn't the day for me to want to size up at all. But two contracts on Snap isn't a lot at all, as I'm sure you know if you trade options. and names like SNAP. We broke prior day's high. That yellow line always on my charts. Yellow dashed line. And I'm up a little bit on this, so I'm going to throw an order out on the ask soon for one contract. $96. Get filled here. Cancel that order. I'm going to throw one more out on the ask a little higher. Nope, 96 we get. Okay, so got filled 96. And they filled me at $3. I threw the order out at 96 and then filled at 3 and then went out at 305. Do I cancel this one or do I get filled? I think I get filled at 305. But they filled me at 310, I believe. That's the thing. If you throw an order out, like I'll throw an order out and they fill me at the best price possible. So at 311. So not bad. So I'm up $59 on the day, 0.92%. And I believe, yeah, that's it. The snap. Okay, so yeah, next trade's Tesla. Final trade. So Tesla, we have this descending trend line, and we have prior days high above that dash yellow line, and then so I'm playing the break of this, the continuation after the break. So I grabbed one 700 call, so I went a little bit out of the money. In hindsight, it would have been nicer to go 690 or 685 even. And I just closed it out real quick on the bid. Reason being, just I don't know. I didn't trust Tesla. It was so wicky today, you know, all these wicks, and just wasn't feeling it. In hindsight, obviously, I know it went higher, went to almost 695, so would have been great to hold. But that's it. So I finished the day $70 green. Happy, and I made a little bit in my swing account, like $50 or so on my LVS swing. But yeah, just happy to be green, like I said. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a nice day. Alrighty.